Hey, happy Tuesday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So this is, I don't have a visual for, well, I didn't have a visual for this, so I went and found one in the Figma files, but this is being able to use Google Sheets as part of your knowledge base for AI agents. So the idea here is you roll over the knowledge base, and I'm just kind of guessing looking at the Figma shots, but you see where it says no tables added. It says upload from computer, import from Google Sheets. You click the import from Google Sheets, you do the connecty thing, and then check this out. You choose like your Google account, your Drive, and all that. You find your doc here someplace, and boom, boom, boom. We're gonna keep sliding over, just like as you'd imagine. Here we go. Then you choose, and then you hit done, and then what it'll do, it'll sit here and it'll actually pull in that Google Sheet. And then once that Google Sheet is in there, and you can see you can do this obviously with multiple Google Sheets, which is really cool. But basically, you could pull in all these different rows and use them to automatically inform the knowledge base for your AI agents. And check this out, as you can see by this cool little flag here, whoop, auto sync, it will automatically sync over changes. I don't know how often or how it works because there's no change log yet for me, but it's awesome and I wanted to talk about it. So when you get a chance, obviously roll over to AI agents knowledge base and check it out. But it is very cool that you now have the ability to interoperate seamlessly with the Google Sheets for your AI agents. That is killer. So anyways, on that note, hope you're having an amazing Tuesday, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.